to teach you about reciprocal या multiplicative inverse of a rational number. What is multiplicative inverse? If product of two rational numbers is 1, then the two rational numbers are multiplicative inverse या reciprocal of each other. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of a rational number. Of a rational number. रेसिप्रोकल या मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. परमेय संख्या का प्रतिलोम या व्युत्क्रम, गुणन व्युत्क्रम क्या है? इफ टू रेशनल नंबर्स आर if product of two rational numbers if products of two rational numbers is 1, then the two rational numbers are called multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse या reciprocal of each other. If product of two rational numbers is 1, यदि दो परमेय संख्याओं का गुणनफल 1 हो तो दोनों संख्याएं मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स या रेसिप्रोकल एक दूसरे का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स कहलाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स of 3/4 is equal to 4/3, because if we multiply, since 3/4 into 4/3 is equal to 1, so multiplicative inverse of 3/4 is equal to 4. If product of two rational numbers is 1, then the two rational numbers are called multiplicative inverse या reciprocal of each other. Example, we have a rational number 3/4 and we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 3/4. If we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 3/4, we multiply 3/4 by 4/3, because inverse of 3/4 is equal to 4/3, So we multiply 3 by 4 by 4 by 3. So multiplicative inverse, if product of two rational numbers is 1, then the two rational numbers are multiplicative inverse of each other. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4 is equal to 4. Now I am going to tell you about distributive law. Distributive law, if three numbers for any three rational numbers A, B, C, distributive law. Return rule. For three numbers, for any three numbers A, B and C, for three numbers A, B and C, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, and A B minus C बराबर AB minus AC. This is, hence multiplication is distributive over addition, and hence multiplication is distributive over addition and subtraction. This is distributive law. Now I am going to solve question number 15. Question number 15. In question number 15, we have to write the multiplicative inverse of the following. Question number 15. Write the multiplicative inverse of the following. Multiplicative inverse of the following as 17 is equal to multiplicative inverse of 17 is equal to 1 by 17, because product of 17 into 1 by 17 is equal to 1. So the multiplicative inverse of 17 is equal to 1 by 17. Question number 15, seventh number 2 by 5. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 into 4 by 9. We write for 2 by 5, multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is equal to 5 by 2, and multiplicative inverse of 4 by 9 is equal to 9 by 4. Multiplicative inverse of, similarly you can solve all the questions. The 16 number 16 number question is 16 number question. Question number 16. Question number 16. Multiply 6 by 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Multiply 6 by 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. To find this answer, reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is equal to minus 16 by 7. अब now multiply 6 by 13, इसलिए 6 by 13 into minus 16 by 7, we get minus 96 by 91. Multiply 6 by 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. 96 by minus 91. 96 by reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is equal to 16 by minus 7. Now I am going question number 18. Simplify this. Question number 18. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 into minus 10 by 9. Minus 10 by 9 into 21 by minus 4 into minus 6. To simplify, is equal to answer minus 3 by 5 into minus 10 by 9 into 21 by minus 4 into minus 6 is equal to 3 3 are 9, 5 2 are 10, 3 7 are 21, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Is equal to 21. Answer is 21. Question number 19. In question number 19, we have to verify the property 19, 20 and 21. Three questions are same. So if you solve in any one, then you can solve it all questions. So I am going to solve last questions. Last 21 number question. Verify the property. Verify the property x into y plus z. X into y plus z बराबर x into y plus x into z. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 12 by 5 and z is equal to 2 by 5. You know the distributive property. In previous class I have discussed about distributive property for three rational numbers, for three integers a, b and c. a into b plus c बराबर ab plus bc. So by distributive property LHS x into y plus z. We are given x into y plus z. On putting the value of x, y and z. On putting the value of x, y and z, x into y plus z, x into y plus z बराबर 0 into y plus z minus 12 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 0 into minus 12 plus 2 by 5 बराबर 0 into minus 10 by 5 बराबर 0 into minus 2. 0 into minus 2 बराबर 0. Solving LHS, putting the value of x, y and z, we find x into y plus z बराबर 0. Again RHS x into y plus x into z, x into y plus x into z, x into y plus x into z. We put the value of x, y, z. 0 into minus 12 by 5 plus 0 into 2 by 5. We know that if we multiply any number by 0, the result is 0. So 0 into minus 12 by 5 is equal to 0 plus 0 into 2 by 5 बराबर 0. So RHS बराबर 0. Hence LHS is equal to RHS बराबर 0. So the given statement, is proved. Similarly, you can solve 19 number, 20, all questions of 20 number, 21 number, 18 number. Similarly, you solve these questions. I hope that you will complete this exercise, and the next day, tomorrow, I will start next exercise 1.2. So I tell you to complete this exercise. Thank you.